This hot mess moment is brought to you by George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue. George from George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue, coming with you today with a great unboxing video that I have for you. Now, this products are coming from Andrew Anderson, owner and operator of Spicy Kitchen out of the Long Beach, California area. This young man has some great products that he created, handmade, fresh out the garden into the bottle. And he's been doing a great job promoting the product and pretty much getting it out there to the spicy world community. And everybody is pretty much at all at what he has. The first product that I want to introduce that he brought in, which is interesting because I really appreciate that he brought in I got like what, 7 hot sauces and 3 16-ounce barbecue sauces. And all of these bottles are quality, different varieties, very spicy, some sweet and spicy, some very mild. So he's getting a great variety to share with everybody. And I'm gonna start with the first bottle I see. As you see, his products are just quality craft setup. I like the labeling on it. I like the, you got the little gold foil on the top of it. I mean, this is like putting your heart and soul into type stuff. So the first one I'm looking at is the Black Scorpion hot sauce. Can't wait to use that. That's a black garlic and Trinidad scorpion hot sauce. That's pretty much one of my go-to favorites that I love to use. I like the spicy, peppery hot sauce. Now, he's also have a Black Label Reserve batch number 5. This is a limited edition. So I'm gonna tell the audience out there, if you're into his products, you gotta go ahead and try to get these early. You never know, they might run out pretty fast during the holiday time. Going on the other side here, I have the ever famous Tickle Me Rhubarb sauce. This hot sauce has been spreading around the spicy community very well. I mean, my good friend Sauce PDX did a review on it and she enjoyed this product. So I recommend everybody, when you get a chance, check out the Tickle Me Rhubarb hot sauce. The other one that he sent me was a great quality hot sauce here that says it's called Double Tears hot sauce. Pretty much knows where you're going with that, and I can't wait to do a review with this particular bottle and share it with my friends. The other 3 sauces he had were very, very fine, and they're special Black Label Reserves. So these are limited editions as well. This is an extremely spicy pepper sauce, and it looks beautiful. I'm looking at all the inside. I mean, pureed it perfect. I mean, distilled it. The ingredients is apple cider vinegar, lime juice, garlic, jalapeno peppers, habanero, Trinidad, scorpion, sweet Italian peppers. I mean, these particular pepper sauces are labeled with all the gardening. I mean, the beautiful thing about these hot sauces, I'll tell you, all of these right now are very low in calorie, spicy hot sauces that you can use on soups, salads, chicken, fish, whatever, And then I get to the last 3 that, I'm excited about because he couldn't wait to send this to me. That's right. He gave me 3 16-ounce barbecue sauces. And of these 3 sauces, we got one is the spicy barbecue sauce, which is labeled very hot. And we have a bourbon barbecue sauce, a very hot bourbon barbecue sauce. I can't wait to try this on some ribs. And he also gave me some apricot barbecue sauce that's very hot as well. So I can't wait to work with this barbecue sauce because I believe it'll come out really good as a glaze on some smoked chicken. So when I do my demos, we're definitely going to be playing with these sauces. And he also hooked me up with this awesome, look at that, can I sauce your meat apron? Just so I can go out there and demonstrate with this cool apron and let people know I'm the boss with the sauce, grilling like a hoss in Texas. And I appreciate that, Andrew, man. You sent me this apron, man. I can rock this for my next cooking session, and I can't wait to bring it up and let everybody know where I got this from. You know. So once again, thank you, Andrew from the Spicy Kitchen out of Long Beach, California, for these wonderful products. And all you folks out there, be on the lookout for some of the reviews for this, but also be on the lookout for surprise giveaways. Yes, that's right. Some of these bottles, which I'm going to go by the popularity of it, which I'm not going to tell you which one it is going to actually go out to my fans who come in and participate in my giveaways at the end of the month. So be on the lookout because some of these bottles are going to be coming to you. This is George's Hot Sauce.
This Hot Mess moment is brought to you by George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue. Ooh, that's some good barbecue.
Oh yeah, don't forget to respect that heat.